Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and top up on Lycamobile online in the UK. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. So to do that, it's a very easy method. All you have to do is simply follow me along, and for that the first thing would be for you to access your browser and type in lycamobile.co.uk/enn/. You will land on their official website. Then over here you will find this kind of interface, right? All you have to do afterward is simply sign in with your account over here and tap on this quick top up, which is on top right corner section, the blue button. Once you have done so, you simply will be able to enter a Lycamobile number user, right? Simply add, if you want to do it to yourself, add in the number, and you can see if you want to simply save the number, you can do so, and you can even choose to verify your number. Otherwise, add in the number. Once you have confirmed the number, use bottom in the bottom, you will be able to see top up your credit now. You can see we have €5 once, I know, €10, 20, 30, 50 accordingly. Right over here you can choose any of them, and you can manually add as well, I guess. And then you can also choose to add a plan according to, and now in the bottom section you got to add in the pay by your debit, credit card, or PayPal. Choose accordingly and load the money, and auto summary will be there. Review terms and conditions, simply turn them green over here and tap on this confirm and pay. Whatever the amount you choose will be over here, and then you will confirm it and you will be done. And then the receiver will receive a message regarding the top up. That is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.